is no other medium where you get to connect to the person who's listening to you. So when we're on air and we're doing our show live, there are almost lakhs of people listening to us, but each one of them feels like the RJ is speaking to them. It makes it so personal. It's a bond like no other. I think that's something I cherish. Love, need, relevant. I think one of the major things that people need to understand is that the anonymity that you get on radio, the fact that nobody is judging you when you're listening to your favorite RJ or your favorite show, helps you create a relationship, which is very difficult to do in any other medium, particularly in a video one. I think we're not exploiting it enough. There are people who have such strong bonds with their RJs and everything that the RJ says that they will hold that close to their heart. And I think that kind of trust is something that a brand can definitely leverage. And I think that's where the gap is happening. For some reason, people think like not enough people are listening, so, advertising in radio is coming down. But I think it'll help you because RJs almost are like BFFs of people who are listening, and they want, if the RJ is using something, they want to use it too. If the RJ says that something's good, they want to believe the RJ. They are actually predisposed to believing what an RJ is saying. That's how strong the medium is. I think it needs to be leveraged. Funny to nahi pata. A lot of calls are really funny, and a lot of people, I remember one call, this was at the beginning of my career when, you all know that we give out traffic on radio. तो हमें actual लोग phone करते हैं और वो traffic बताते हैं कि मैं यहाँ फंसा हुआ हूँ, and हम वो on air बोलते हैं. तो मैं अब नया शो कर रही थी, तो मुझे ऐसे 3-4 कॉल्स आ गए, तो मैंने रेडियो पे बोल दिया कि यहाँ से यहाँ जैम है, यहाँ से यहाँ जैम है. एक मैंने नहीं बोला because I thought कि नेक्स्ट अपडेट के लिए छोड़ देती हूँ. That person called and he said, मैडम आपने बोला नहीं कि यहाँ से यहाँ जैम है. ऐसे नहीं वो मैं आप बोल दूंगी 5 मिनट में. पर मैडम वो तो 5 मिनट पहले था, मैं आपको नया ट्रैफिक दे रहा हूँ. So I thought like I couldn't believe that he takes the medium so seriously that he's going to update me every 5 minutes. So that's a lesson learned, that people, like I said, they have so much of trust on you that they want you to immediately connect. They are not going to wait. While you might think that you're going to distribute that content across links. जब भी ये word dream or guest साथ आता है, तो somehow कुछ होता है. So it has to be Shahrukh. Of course, I've interviewed him, but I think I want to do a podcast with Shahrukh. I'm manifesting it here. And I know बड़े और मेरे radio friends ने ये बोला है, पर मैं भी ये नाम लेना चाहूँगी because मुझे major FOMO हो रहा है. Modi ji, you have to be on my show. Fever 104. It's all about the music. My positioning change. Okay, we are a happening radio station, but this is the OG Fever FM audiogram, and I love it. And of course, Superwomania, which is mere show ka song.